I'm Shae from mining.com.au, and I'm coming to you once again from the floor of the Diggers and Dealers Conference here, held here in Kalgoorlie. Sitting next to me is Ron Heeks, the Managing Director of Larvotto Resources. Ron, another one from the East Coast, flying the flag here in WA. Welcome. Have you been welcomed by the industry over here?
Well, we do come from here. Our home base is here, but yeah, thanks, Shae. Great to be here. They're cracking on well, but getting a lot of love from over east, but a lot of love from here as well.
Well, let's talk about Diggers, because normally Diggers is, this year I noticed there's a positive gold vibe, like everybody loves gold. But how's everybody feeling about antimony right now?
Well, they haven't heard the story yet, but let's see tomorrow afternoon when they hear the story. I think they should be pretty excited with it. It's a seriously good story.
Well, it certainly is, and there's some awesome momentum that's happening for the company right now. Now, you recently just had the financial investment decision come through, or the FID, as it's often called. Can you run me through some of the details of this and what it means for the company going forward?
Well, really, the FID was just finalising the whole story, really. We'd already ordered the long lead time items. We'd raised $250 million. We were arguably already going to go there, but it was a tick the box, and it was the last box to tick. So now it's all about the build, and that's where it's all going now.
All right, so you say it's all about the build. What does that mean?
Well, the next one is bring on the build contractors. That contract will be signed very, very shortly. Underground mining contractors, that tender is out, and we're narrowing that down. Open pit mining contractors, that tender is nearly complete, so it's all go on many fronts.
So you're going to be you're a near-term producer, you're going to be producing antimony and gold as a byproduct, aren't you?
Absolutely, and arguably we'll be doing that at spot prices. We're going to be producing this time, well, certainly April next year, and it's not that far away, so although we use pretty low prices in our DFS, there's a good case to say that we'll be actually going out at spot prices. And that means we'll be producing gold at -$3,000 all-in sustaining cost. So $8,500 an ounce, Aussie.
So it's just free money coming out of the ground then, isn't it?
It's a good look. It's a good look. No, we've been very lucky.
Now, I'm just staring at one of your panels here. And is this right? The payback period is 11 months. That's remarkable.
That's on our case that we ran, and that's $20,000 less antimony than the current price, and $500 less than the current gold price. If we run that at spot again, it's 8 months.
Whoa. So what I'm hearing is there's a lot of positive tailwinds for the product.
Absolutely. It's looking pretty good. We just got to build the project now and get it to go. We've got a wonderful team doing that, so I'm not too concerned on that one.
This is a really unfair question given the wonderful spot you find yourselves in, but is there sort of any news we can look for in the interim, or is it really just, no, we said we're going to dig the hole, we're digging the hole, and we're going to be producing money really soon?
Well, that's essentially it, but we do have 4 diamond rigs on site, so we will keep putting out some really nice drill numbers. We will start converting some of the resources into reserves that we haven't already done. Doing that has really just been a time frame to get people on the ground to do that. Everybody's been pretty tied up, as you can well imagine, so we'll find a bit of room to fit that in. It'll be about the contracts going out, the build starting, the long lead time items turning up. So it's a lot of exciting things to happen, and it's not a big build, as I say. April next year we'll be commissioning.
Listen, this has been a fantastic story, and it's been great to watch it unfold on the sideline. I wish you many successes, but I also look forward to seeing how your presentation goes tomorrow as you talk about the Antimony project, Hillgrove Antimony project, to the West Australian audience.
Thanks, Shae. Look forward to giving it and seeing what the reaction is.